Hello students, let us continue chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Today we are going to learn about three-dimensional shapes. Children, you have learned about the polygons. Polygons are examples of two-dimensional shapes as they have only length and breadth. They do not have height. So we cannot make the model of the polygons. They are two-dimensional shapes. And the shapes which have three dimensions, length, breadth, and height. Such shapes are called three-dimensional shapes. The shapes or the object which have three dimensions, that is length, breadth, and height, are called three-dimensional shapes. They are also called solid shapes. Here, various types of solid shapes are shown. See, cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, prism, etc. are some of the three-dimensional shapes. Now, we will learn about faces, edges, and vertices of a 3D shape. 3D shape means three-dimensional shapes or solid shapes. Let us consider a cube. Here you can see a flat surface. In a cube, this flat surface is square in shape. Here another square shaped flat surface is there. And here a third one is there. And back side also having, down also having the flat surfaces. This type of flat surface in a 3D shape or in a three-dimensional shape is known as the face. The flat surface of a three-dimensional shape is known as the face. Now, two faces meet at a line segment which is called the edge. See, we can take the surface here, it is a flat surface, here another flat surface is here, and the two flat surfaces meet at a line segment C. Here you can see the line segment at which the two surfaces are meeting. And this line segment at which the two flat surfaces meet is known as the edge. Here also, this is the top flat surface and here is another face, and both the faces meet at this line segment which is known as the edge. Now, what is vertex or corner? Three edges meet at a point which is called the vertex. See, here it is one edge and it is another edge, and here you can see a third edge. Three edges meet at a single point, and this point is known as the vertex or the corner. Here you can see one vertex here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertex. So a cube has 8 vertices. Okay, children. Now we will discuss about various types of three-dimensional shapes in details. First, we will consider a cuboid. In a cuboid, the length, breadth, and height are different. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices or corners. In your textbook, the word corners is used. So I have, instead of vertices, I have taken corners also I have shown in the bracket. Both are the same thing. So cuboid has different length, breadth, and height. How many faces a cuboid has? 6 faces. This number you have to learn. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Now, the matchbox, brick, book, etc. are the examples of cuboid. And your pencil box, that is also the example of the cuboid. Matchbox, brick, book, pencil, box, etc. are the examples of the cuboid. Now, cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are equal is called a cube. Cube and cuboid, only one difference is there. In cuboid, length, breadth, and height are different, but in a cube, the length, breadth, and height are equal. All other points are same in both the cube and cuboid. Cube also has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And example of cube are dice and ice cubes. Now a prism. A prism has 2 identical bases. The other faces are rectangle. See, here one base. This is called a base, and this side also one base is there, even though it cannot be seen in the figure. So it has 2 identical bases. Identical means same. two same type of bases, which may be a triangular in shape or a rectangular in shape. And other sides are rectangle. See, the base will be a triangle and other sides are rectangle. Here one rectangle face is there, here one will be there, and down one will be there. If the prism has a triangular base, it is called a triangular prism. And if the prism has a rectangular base, it is called a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is also called a cuboid. Okay, children, if the base of the prism is triangular in shape, it is called a triangular prism. And if the base is rectangular in shape, it is called the rectangular prism. And the another name for rectangular prism is cuboid. Now, a triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Now, pyramid. A pyramid is a shape with a single base. The other faces are triangles. The base of the pyramid is triangular in shape. It is called a triangular pyramid. And if the base is square in shape, it is called a square pyramid. Pyramid has a single base. And remember, prism has two identical bases, but pyramid only a single base. It will be either triangular in shape or a square in shape. If the base is triangular in shape, it is called a triangular pyramid. And if the base of the pyramid is square in shape, it is called a square pyramid. And a triangular pyramid has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. Square pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Now cylinder. Yet now we discussed about the solid shape which have flat surface. Now we are going to learn about the solid shapes which do not have any flat surfaces. A cylinder has no straight edges. It has two bases which are circular in shape. Example, road roller and circular pillar. See, it is the shape of a cylinder. It has no straight edges. It has only curved surface. And two bases, see one here and one is this one. Two bases which are circular in shape. The base of the cylinder is circular. This is a circle and this is another circle. Example of cylinder are road roller, that you know is used for constructing the roads, and also circular pillar. Now cone. Same like a cylinder, a cone also has no straight edges. It has a circular base. See, it is the circular base of the cone. Example of cone are ice cream cone and clown's cap, birthday cap, etc. Now sphere. A sphere has no flat surface at all. The example of sphere are ball and a globe. Now this is the activity given in your textbook on page number 110. And these all points you have to learn. So I have included. This answer you can write down in your textbook itself. No need of writing in the notebook. This page you can write in the textbook on page number 110. First point is given in textbook with answers, so I have not included that. Second point onwards. A cube is a cuboid whose edges are all of equal length. A cube has 6 faces. Each face has 4 edges and each face has 4 vertices. Now, a triangular pyramid has a triangular base. It is also known as a tetrahedron. A triangular pyramid is also called a tetrahedron. It has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 corners. Now, a square pyramid has a square base. It has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 corners. A triangular prism looks like that of a kaleidoscope. It has triangle as its bases. How many faces? 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 corners. Okay, children. Now we will discuss the exercise. Exercise 5.9. Very simple one only. Match the following. Cone. From the given figures in the textbook, you have to select the correct figure of the cone. And here I have shown only the answers directly. It is first one. First one is a cone. And here I could not adjust the side here. So first one is a cone here. Sphere. Sphere is second figure. Cylinder is a third figure. Cuboid is the book, that is the fourth figure. And pyramid is the fifth figure. So you have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is the shape of your instrument box? Instrument box is cuboid in shape. A brick also cuboid. Matchbox is cuboid. Road roller is cylindrical in shape. And the sphere ladle is spherical in shape. It is in the shape of a sphere. Children, by this the lesson has completed. Okay.